Every brick, every tile, and every space at Samriddhi Garden reflects our commitment to creating homes that inspire. Here's the construction update for the month of December 2024 on the development of Sea Wing at Samriddhi Garden. All the slabs for Sea Wing have been successfully completed, marking a major milestone in the construction process. The lift lobby work is progressing at a steady pace, ensuring every corner is crafted to perfection for future residents. As the journey continues, we remain dedicated to creating spaces where you'll build your best memories.